Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, and take a look at what I have here today. This is a 2014 Ford F-550. This is a crew cab, four-wheel drive, 6.7 liter POWERSTROKE diesel. It's a Lariat trim. It's got a nice CM skirted flatbed. The truck has a 60-inch cab to axle. It's in beautiful shape. It's a rust-free Southern truck. Nice skirted bed, so you've got the boxes both behind the wheels and front of the wheels. You've got a gooseneck hitch right there in the center of the bed. Nice headache rack. Race red in color. You've got the factory 19.5-inch alloy wheels, running boards, tow mirrors, cab lights. They put a nice big ranch hand bumper on the front. Just a sharp truck. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of it. This truck is a Lariat, so it is fully loaded. Power windows, door locks, mirrors. You've got power extend and fold mirrors, memory driver's seat, Sony stereo, of course leather interior, power seats on both sides, heated and cooled seats, tilt wheel, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel controls. Now this truck has 142,154 miles. It's got navigation, automatic dual zone climate control, four-wheel drive switch, again is right here, traction control, factory brake controller. You got all the upfitter switches. You've got a 110 outlet right there. Got this nice little overhead storage compartment. Audio video inputs, SD card, USB, and you've got a 12-volt input right there, 12-volt charger. You've got the overhead consoles. It does have a power sliding rear window. And the nice huge console that comes with these Lariat trucks. Now this truck is in really nice shape. You do have a little bit of wear right here. I will have this refinished, so this will be like new. Rear heated seats. The rear seats are in beautiful shape. The carpet's in good shape. We've got both keys with this truck. We've got everything. We've got the key code for the doors. You've got a 110 outlet right back here for your passengers with your HVAC vents. Another look at your dash. All the toolboxes are in nice shape. The truck has plenty of tire tread life. They all look to be, it's tough to see because they've got the snow in there, but they all look to be about 90%. Again, the frame is super clean. This is a Southern rust-free truck. It's all stock, factory exhaust, no programmers. These 550 trucks are super hard to find. Most of them are super long frames, you know, like the 84-inch cab to axles. Most of them are work truck models. You don't get the crew cab, you don't get the 60-inch cab to axle, and this truck is clean. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.7 liter POWERSTROKE turbo diesel. These trucks make 400 horse, 800 foot-pounds of torque. And with the 550 truck, you'll be able to pull a house off its foundation if you wanted to. Again, my name's John Rollins. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do take trades and I do have financing available. Thank you.